This is the brief on aircraft materials, hardware, and processes. You know, when we're talking about aircraft maintenance, it's so much more than just fixing things. It's all about structural integrity. Because think about it, if you grab the wrong bolt or, skip a crucial step during installation, you could compromise the aircraft's strength and reliability, like right away. Okay, so first up, you can't just guess when you're picking out critical aircraft bolts. It's non-negotiable. You've got to know the difference between, say, a standard general-purpose bolt and a specialized close-tolerance bolt. That super tight fit is absolutely essential for joints that are under a ton of stress. And hey, be extra careful with those high-strength internal wrenching bolts. When you use them in softer metals like dural, they absolutely need special heat-treated washers. No exceptions. Second, let's talk about safetying. For any hardware that isn't self-locking, this is mandatory. We're talking about things like the super rugged castle nut. It has to be secured with something external, like a cotter pin or safety wire, to make sure it doesn't vibrate loose under heavy tension. And finally, you can't forget about the specialized stuff, like different kinds of rubber and sealing compounds. For instance, Buna N rubber is fantastic for seals that deal with oil and gasoline. And you've got all these other specific compounds for everything from keeping the airframe pressurized to stopping fuel leaks and even for potting electrical connections, which is basically just protecting wires from the elements. So the bottom line is this. Mastering how to classify, apply, and install all this hardware and these materials, well, it's absolutely essential for keeping an aircraft airworthy and safe.